All right, Byron, thank you. Today marks the fourth ever Amazon Prime Day. The shopping day has gotten so popular that last year Prime Day even beat out Cyber Monday.
It's crazy how popular this has gotten. So here to help us get ready for the Olympics of online shopping is Trae Bodge, smart shopping expert for Slick Deals, to give us the skinny on Amazon Prime Day. So good morning to you. Thanks for coming in this morning.
Thanks.
This has really blown up over the past couple of years. So what are some of the best tips you can give to help people navigate before they go online?
Well, there are so many. So Amazon Prime Day kicks off today at 3 p.m. So to be ready, if there are specific items that you're looking for, especially bigger ticket items, set a deal alert for them, and then you'll receive an email letting you know that those deals are available. You can do that on Amazon or their Amazon Assistant browser extension, on their app, or you can use Slick Deals, because the reason why I would recommend this is because other retailers are getting in on the bandwagon on sales today. So with a deal alert on Slick Deals, you'll be alerted to a deal on Amazon, but possibly a better price elsewhere. So just keeping all your options open today.
And we say better price elsewhere because stores are coming out to compete with Amazon. Amazon's giving Target, Walmart, eBay a run for their money, right?
They are, in Kohl's. I mean, a lot of stores are jumping on today. And so it's a great time for a shopper. If you're looking for deals on anything, kind of keep your eyes peeled because the deals are everywhere.
So before we get to your favorite items that you selected, if you're not an Amazon Prime member, can you participate today?
You cannot. But the good news is on Amazon, they have a 30-day free trial. So you can take advantage of Amazon Prime, but also take advantage of all the other things that they have to offer, like free unlimited 2-day shipping, Amazon Music, Amazon Video, and you can do that monthly thereafter, or you can do an annual membership, which is a little bit cheaper. And they also offer discounts if you're a student or if you're on public assistance. So there are options for everybody out there.
Some people had said that this is just a time of year that Amazon's doing this to kind of clean house of some of the products they don't need. Is that true?
I would say so. I mean, summer tends to be a little bit low. We're right before the big back-to-school shopping season, so there's not a lot of activity. So it made sense to me that Amazon would start this day. It's also their anniversary when they first started it 4 years ago as well.
Give us the best deals.
Yeah, so some of my favorites. So these are from Foreo. This is a company that makes silicone cleansing devices and toothbrushes. These are luxurious facial cleansing devices, and they're 30% off today. They're more hygienic than cleansing brushes as well. So
bacteria doesn't grow on this, right?
Exactly. So if you've ever been interested in investing in a cleansing device for your face, this is a great day because they're 30% off.
All right, Dan, you got your dad this towel, right?
I did, yeah, because he's always hot.
Oh my
they're the
goodness.
best. And today it's so hot outside. So these are from Mission. They're the leader in instant cooling accessories. So you literally wet them, you snap them, and then you can hang it around your neck. Really good after Soul Cycle or hot yoga or a really hot day like today. 30% off from Mission. So that's a great one too.
And then we've got the Amazon electronics also.
Yeah, so Amazon proprietary devices, and they have over 70 brands, which is crazy. But some of their more popular things like the Kindle, the Dot, these things would be very deeply discounted. The Kindle Paperwhite is typically $120 and it's $80 today. Oh, wow. So these discounts are real. This is like Black Friday, Cyber Monday in the middle of the summertime.
You know, I read a few blogs that say that Amazon is jacking up the prices today and then cutting the prices. Do you think that's true?
It's a little bit of a rumor, and it's really hard for me to say specifically, which is why I think doing those deal alerts, especially on an outside coupon site like Slick Deals, will allow you to be aware of all the prices around the internet, and then you can really take advantage.
Something that's important to mention is that Amazon bought Whole Foods, and they're also Whole Foods is getting it on the Amazon Prime today with $10 for every Whole Foods purchase, right? Goes to a $10 credit to use today.
It's really good. So this is their Allegro coffee, and I bought it yesterday. I got 2 for 1, which is a great deal at Whole Foods anyway, but also I got a $10 credit that I can spend on Amazon Prime Day just by spending more than $10 at Whole Foods.
It's all about the partnership.
This Whole Foods is a really big deal. So if you have any grocery needs today and you can get to a Whole Foods, take advantage with your Prime membership and get that $10 and also all the great deals.
Got it. Well, Trae Bodge, thank you so much for coming in today and kind of help everybody navigate this morning. I appreciate that. Also, I think it's important to know if you want to shop and donate to charity, Amazon Smile is a great way to do that too. So you just log on, you can select your perfect charity, and portions of your purchase will go to your favorite charity.